Have you ever busted the end to an internet cable behind a desk or an armoire and had to go buy an entirely new cable? Today I'm going to show you how to fix the ends to an Ethernet cable. What you're going to need the cable, you're going to need a crimping tool, you're going to need a pair of side cutter pliers, and finally a box of data plugs, which is the ends to the cable. Now the first thing that you're going to do is take the end of the cable and cut off the broken piece. You're actually going to take it, you're going to have to strip the cable. Now how you strip the cable is you take the side cutter pliers, I'm going to do it about 2 inches down. Very lightly, you don't want to cut the insides of the cable. The point of this is to get rid of the rubber casing so you can organize the inside cables in the right order to put them in the data plugs. Squeeze lightly, just kind of twist it around. Once you get through the rubber casing, you're going to pull up and ta-da! That is how you strip the Ethernet cable. Now you see all of the cables on the inside. Now there are 3 different types of connections. There's A, there's B, and there's cross. A is the most common, and A is the one I'm going to be showing you today. After you strip the cables, you want to untwist them. Alright, now that I have the cable all untangled, I'm going to actually show you the color coding behind the cables. For A, it's actually going to be green, white, orange, blue, white, orange, white, brown, and then brown. Now in that order, it's going to be from pins 1 through 8. And actually right here. With the clip facing you on the little data plug, pins 1 through 8 is from right to left. Alright. Now I'm going to have to take it, and it's going to be white, green, like this. Pull it to the side. It's going to be green, then white, orange, then blue, then it's going to be white, blue, then orange. So white, blue, and then orange. And it's going to be white, brown, and then brown. Should look like that. Now the hardest part about this is to actually get all these cables as close as possible together without messing up that order. Kind of squeeze those together. Alright. Then you're going to take the data plug with the pin facing you. It's going to be the white green one on the right. There are little slots inside here that take the cables where they need to go. As you can see, slides in there. Just push it all the way to the back. Then what you're going to do is take the crimping tool, which actually has A, B, and then a cross. You're going to slide it into the top as if you were plugging it into a wall. Just to go. Alright. Then you're going to squeeze as hard as possible. Unplug it. What that did is actually took the cables, pinched them down onto the pins, and it took this plastic piece right there, smashed it against the bottom part of these cables about right there, so that way it holds the cables in place. Alright, now that you have a finished end, I'm going to take a tester, transmitter, and receiver. I'm going to plug one end to the transmitter, and I'm going to plug the other end into the receiver, the end we just made. Make sure that everything works out. You don't have to do this. I just happen to have the tools to do it, so I decided to go ahead and show you. Now, when you start transmitting, the transmitter is going to flash green on all of them, and if you did it right, then 1 through 3 will flash green on the receiver, like so. So we did the end, and now you are good to go with your brand new Ethernet port. Now that I've shown you how to fix the cables, I hope that you'll never have to buy another cable again. You can actually fix the cables and the ends of the cables yourself. Now you'll never have to spend the money on broken cables or broken ends. You can do it all by yourself. Thank you.